This is it, the final resting place for the 2000 Camry. Here's what's left of it. This tire is low and or flat. I took all the TPMS sensors. This is gone. Hood just bent down, peeled that out. The windshield, now we were discussing how did the windshield break. Definite airbag, because right here you can see, and that went. So pretty much, yeah, as soon as your airbags go, that's the end of your car. So if you ever see those flash before your eyes, that's it. Radiator, like I said, snapped in half. Oh, the hose is still on there. It's just completely flat on that. Found this piece of lens or something. I don't know. That was like down in the engine there. The battery, you could see the red positive cable, and that's sort of sideways. And if you see, I'm not going to zoom in, but just to the right of that, there's a little half circle. That is where one of the caps went. I found that on the scene at the accident. The battery's long dead in this thing. The front, this was the bumper thing. This was the front like rail of the car. Hood still doesn't open. Maybe it'll just, but I mean, really, look at that. I mean, you could see this a million times, and I know you're just seeing it in your own video, but I can't imagine this. The molding, like I said, that'll buff out. Door is still in fine shape, as is the back door, really. Nothing wrong with that. Quarter panel here is good. Found out why the rear window broke. So what happened was, hit her there, and then the back end slammed into, I guess, the back of the truck is kind of what I'm guessing happened over here. So it pushed all of this in. As you can see, the trunk lid corner comes to like a sharp point, and that punctured the glass and punctured the rear deck. I don't know whose that is. There's rust forming already. That's nice. Was that rust in there? Or is it insulation? It's insulation. But yeah, there's rust forming already. This, you don't need that. This does not open anymore. Tire is completely fucked. The driver's door, I had shown, it looks more denty now. I replaced this, had a video on that. It made me some nice money. Can't tell you the mileage because the battery's completely dead. I was thinking maybe I'll pull the cluster. This is what it looks like when your airbag pops. It just tears your steering wheel, you know, airbag thing apart like that. The mirror's intact. This was broken already. That should, you could just kick that back in, I think. This one is also kind of, yeah, as you might expect. And yeah, that's about it. Essentially a freight train just came and smashed into it, and that's it. Souvenir of paint. Yep. Just beyond fucked. Just beyond fucked. There is no reason it had to end this way. No reason it had to end this way. There's dents in the door panel. I don't know what they're from. That's inconsequential. I did notice one other little fun thing that wasn't there before it was towed in. They had the back bumper in the back seat of the car, and that has left a mark in the armrest. It doesn't make a difference now, but just saying, you know. Just happened to notice we have a friend in the business over here. That's right. Fucking wrecked. Love that. Love that. Doesn't look like they were going that fast. But look at that nice hood action. Let's see. These are the millennial vanity curtains. Like, oh my god, it was just an accident. Don't anybody see me? Or take pictures and put it on like Twitter or Facebook or like Instafuck. Yeah, he didn't get it nearly as bad, but it's still nicely done. I mean, that's missing a few. It needs a few things. But back to the task at hand. It looks like that tire got even flatter. Yeah. It's left of the bumper. It's just not anymore. Fucking the AC condenser split, I'm sure. I need a tool for that. See if I could depress it. But I can't, like, you can't, there's nothing, you can't move this. It's just like it's the car. That fucks me up. I can't get over that. I can't get over that. The paint is just, you just peel it right off. You just peel it right off. Took the radio, took all the contents of the glove box, decided to break out the vent here just to see how it comes out, and I broke it in the process. Who cares? Figure I'll learn, you know, the hard way now, or it doesn't matter. Let's see if I can get back in. The shifter is just, here we'll do a Jacob 25. Oh, Abraham 23. But yeah, it's just pooched. Yeah, that's lovely. So I took the radio just to take it. I'll leave the key. I have one. This was a copy anyway. Put the wipers on for next time they start it, you know. Just torn out. Oh, I did want to see if I could get the clock out. That'll be a nice little memento. Hazards, don't worry. It's no longer a hazard, it's just dead. Look at the windshield. And this is the airbag. It's a bag that had air. Assembled in Mexico with US components. Pretty strong stuff. It's a big nylon bag. I never did see these, and that's the relief for the air. It just needs to puff up and go flat before you hit it, but break the windshield in the process. I mean, that's why would you put that's brilliant. I mean, that's just brilliant. I ripped the rear view mirror off just to do it. Oh, wanted to see if I could get the dash cam mount off. I don't think so, but I don't think so. I think the windshield will just shatter if I tried to break that off. I'll give it a shot, but I don't think so. Yeah, went through, spare change, stuff like that. Anything that was in the trunk I pulled. Airbag for the driver. If I had a utility knife, I'd cut out the Toyota symbol just to do it, but that was factory, and it tore on that seam after 22 years. Cruise control thing still was there. Blinker is fine. It's a shame. It's apart from the truck in there. Redneck diamonds over here, so you can have that. Could not get the trunk open at all. See, this is the sharp point I was talking about, and that's what shattered the back window. That's just a shame that that had to go in the whole thing. Not that it matters, but just saying. Oh yeah, I gotta get the badges off. Forgot about that. I got this one at the scene. Was not able to siphon any gas out, so apparently it has an anti-siphon thing, or the siphon thing that I have just is not having it. This door does not open. I didn't try it from the inside, but I don't think that would help any. I'll try it from the inside. Can I reach it? Yeah. Oh, it pops. Oh, it opens. I don't know if I can get it. Might break the door handle in the process. Whatever. It's just there. Yep. Fucking shame. Look at the meat on the tires. How much meat were on these Yokohamas still. And they're just fucking gone. Had to lose those too. This is just wrong. It's just hanging. Just fucking crazy. Yeah, here you can see the tires better. Look how much meat. Look at that. How much meat is still on these things. Just fucking obliterated. Absolutely fucking obliterated. Such a damn shame. Like I said, it's not the monetary value of the car that doesn't matter. It was a car. It drove. It was good. And now it's nothing. It's garbage. Well, anyway, that's it. That's the last look. I'm just going to grab a couple last things and we're going to pretty much get out of here. Might be back to get the plates, but other than that, this is the last I'll even ever see of it. So a last look at the car. I have the book that was in the glove box that has the final mileage reading, or as close to it as you're going to get within 5 or 10 miles. So close enough. But it was like 185-ish, I think. So damn close. Such a damn shame, but in the whole thing, I won the ultimate prize in the end, my wife. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.